Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, I thought we'd do something a little bit different today. I have a new cruise activity, at least it's new for me. Might be new for you guys. It sounded really cool, really awesome. So I wanted to share that with you guys today. But let me give you a little backstory on how we got to this point. So I came across an article written today, a post written today by John Heald, the brand ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines. I usually read through his stuff on a daily basis, to get news and updates on Carnival. And he had a post on there today about manners, reminding people that good manners is the way to go. Please, thank you, particularly when you're talking to crew members. Now, as experienced cruisers, I know we're all saying please and thank you. I see you guys putting please and thank you in the comments that you leave on my videos. So I know we're not having a manners problem. And of course, that's not even what this video is about. But one thing he did say in this article was that he can say please and thank you to the crew members in 18 of their native languages. So I thought, that would be a really fun cruise activity, one that I plan to try on our next cruise, and see if I can learn to say please and thank you to the crew members that take care of me on the cruise in their own native language. I think it'd be a really fun cruise activity. If you're taking some kids on board the cruise ship, anything like that, it could also be a fun educational experience for them just to learn to say please and thank you in a foreign language. I don't think I'm going to get 18 of them on my very next cruise, but I think I am going to start trying this, working my way up, and see how many different languages I can learn to say please and thank you with. And I read that and I was just like, wow, this is a really awesome idea. At least I think so. You guys let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Do you think this would be an awesome cruise activity to do going forward? Or is this perhaps an activity that some of y'all already do? And if it is, let us know how it works out for you. Are the crew appreciative? Do they enjoy the fact that you tried to learn to speak in their native language? I think they would like it. I think they would appreciate it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to do. But of course, you guys know I don't speak for everybody. I can only speak for me. So you guys are going to have to let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this an awesome new cruise activity that we can all try going forward? All right, and that's going to be it for today's video. Quick, short, just throwing that little idea out there for you. Not a lot was going on in the cruise news for today. So like I said, going to be a super short video. If you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, lets you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everybody out there has themselves a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.